and the fun begins. I think I'm going to go get the old wiring harness and lay it out side by side because I labeled all the connections on it. This did not come with any instructions at all. So yeah. All right. Let me see if I can figure this one out. Boy, I am so glad that I labeled all the connections on the old harness, because this would have been a nightmare. So I've got them laid out pretty much starting with the hour meter and up under the dash, coming back to this area goes where the battery box is, and then we come back and then we've got the tail light and the starter circuit. So yeah, I am so glad I labeled all these connections when I took them off. Another thing to note when you order parts, I ordered the 2 new headlights. They did not come with bulbs, and I emailed the company because I got the new battery and the instructions say you're supposed to fill that with electrolyte. I've already looked in there, them are dry cells. I emailed them to see if they were shipping the battery acid separately. So other than that, hopefully that is the case. But new headlights, and this is going to be my project for the rest of the day, is getting this thing wired in. But I do have this one on the floor. I want to get that one stuffed in, and then I can go back and look at all these connectors and see what I labeled them as. Boy, I'm glad I did that. I'll get back with you on the progress.